Hello everyone, and welcome to this Light-O-Rama tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about how to add more than the default 40 pixel stakes to your preview and still be able to use RGBPlus sequences. If you would prefer not to have to make any modifications to your preview or sequences after purchase, you should only use 40 pixel stakes set at the default unit IDs. On the Light-O-Rama website purchase pages for pixel stake packages, you'll find download links at the bottom of the description tab of the product for prop files that contain 80, 120, or 160 pixel stakes. If you choose to use a different amount of pixel stakes, you'll need to edit one of these files to match your number of stakes. Click on the text to download the file to your computer. The next steps in the preview editor are the same for S5 or S6. Open your custom preview or a copy of the RGBPlus preview. Altering the default RGBPlus preview is not recommended in case you ever need to return to view the default settings. Instead of importing the CPC pixel stake package from the Light-O-Rama Props online menu in the preview, use the Import Prop File option to import the pixel stake file you downloaded from the Light-O-Rama website. The 80 pixel stake file has 100 pixels on 4 pixel ports instead of the default 50 pixels. Using 120 pixel stakes uses 100 pixels per port on the original Pixie 4 controller, but then adds 4 new Pixie ports for a third set of 40 stakes to avoid voltage drop due to the extra long length of pixel stake strands. Using 160 pixel stakes uses 8 Pixie ports in total, each with 100 pixels, or 20 stakes each, to make 4 rows of 40 stakes. As a default, the additional 4 Pixie unit IDs are set to 50, 51, 52, and 53 on aux-A or Network 2, but you can change them to what fits best in your display by using the Channel Conflicts and Bulk Changes tab. Highlight all 10 or 20 pixel stakes on a unit ID, 1 Pixie port, and then use the Change menu to set a new unit ID. After your preview is saved, open an RGBPlus sequence, go to the Sequence menu, then Assign Different Preview. Select your custom preview from the list. Please view the specific tutorials relating to transferring RGBPlus sequences to your preview for more detailed instruction about setting up your preview for RGBPlus transfer in general. For this specific pixel stake scenario, what's important is that the 5 groups relating to the pixel stakes, rows 1 through 4, and the group of all pixel stakes have been automatically matched due to using the downloaded prop file. Any pixel stakes above 40 will not match as individual items, which is not a problem since no sequencing effects are created at the actual pixel stake level. All RGBPlus pixel stake effects are created through the use of group motion effect rows specifically so that you can add additional pixel stakes to the default. After completing all of the match settings, click Continue and let your sequence convert. Press play and you'll see that the pixel stake effects have adapted to your additional props. And that's all for this tutorial. Visit the Light-O-Rama website to shop for props and sequences now.